So we were getting ready to talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing next week and kind of moving forward with our series. Morning Coffee Review is the series, and how we're going to be building a community around Bluebeam. And let's just get a little take from you, Jason. What do you think?
I think building a community is the perfect way to put it. We want to do something different from a webinar or a demo, and we want to engage the users who are either using it daily or thinking about using it daily. Let's turn some cameras on, have some coffee, talk about the things that can make everybody's life easier, and build a community at the same time.
Yeah, and being able to digest what other people are doing with the software, put in our own ideas, maybe help them through some of their processes. And like you said, let's turn some cameras on. Let's meet each other, right? Face to face and create a friendly environment where everyone can come together and talk about Bluebeam Review, or even coffee and tea for all you tea lovers out there, of course. And next week we have something special. Jason and I will have matching mugs. We are going to test some coffee out that ATG USA sent us. So hopefully we see you all next week. Anything else from you, Jason?
I'm just looking forward to it. We've got a great series planned for you throughout the next coming weeks. Join us every Tuesday morning. We'll be starting a little bit early to talk about coffee and other things in life. And then we'll start talking about Bluebeam every morning right around 8:30 Central. And then from there, we'll see where it goes. We want to hear from you.
That's right. We'll start only about 15 minutes early. So hopefully we'll see you there a little early, come in and chat. And then right on the 30 marker, we will kick it off. We look forward to seeing you there, and thank you.
Thank you.